Regular verb. A verb describes an action or a state of being. With regular verbs, the simple past tense and past participle are formed by adding ed or d to the base form of the verb. Therefore, regular verbs follow a specific rule. Now, I will go through the common types of regular verbs. So we have base form, simple past and past participle. Accept, accepted. Act, acted. Agree, agreed. Answer, answered. Arrive, arrived. Ask, asked. Belong, belonged. Carry, carried. Cause, caused. Celebrate, celebrated. Clean, cleaned. Close, closed. Complete, completed. Cook, cooked. Change, changed. Check, checked. Deliver, delivered. Describe, described. Dry, dried. Enjoy, enjoyed. Fill, filled. Fix, fixed. Greet, greeted. Hate, hated. Help, helped. Hunt, hunted. Ignore, ignored. Jump, jumped. Like, liked. Listen, listened. Laugh, laughed. Live, lived. Look, looked. Love, loved. Manage, managed. Miss, missed. Move, moved. Need, needed. Order, ordered. Paint, painted. Plan, planned. Play, played. Rest, rested. Return, returned. Save, saved. Shout, shouted. Start, started. Stop, stopped. Surprise, surprised. Talk, talked. Taste, tasted. Touch, touched. Travel, travelled. Try, tried. Use, used. Wait, waited. Walk, walked. Want, wanted. Wash, washed. Work, worked.